Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this good luck soup. This soup is supposed to bring you good fortune and a prosperous new year ahead. I'm not going to explain to you farther, but I'm gonna make sure to explain it on the description box, because if I talk about it then I'm just gonna confuse you all. So what I have is just heat up an oil, and this is an Italian sausage. You have to use pork. I will explain it on the description box why it has to be pork. This is a sweet Italian sausage. This is a good brand. I just got this from a local store. Just simply separate this a little bit, or kind of like make it like a bite size so you don't have a chunky sausage on your soup. Cook this until they are brown, and then I'm just gonna scoop this on the side. I'm gonna add some garlic. Cook the garlic until golden. Saute that for about a minute, and then add some white onions, and then again saute this, mix this together, and then add some red bell pepper. Red is common ingredients for any Asian food during New Year because red symbolizes good fortune. So just mix this together until they are combined. And then we're going to add some vegetable. What I have here is some shredded carrots and some celery. This recipe, it doesn't really call for it, but I went ahead and add it to add more flavor to it, and mix this together until they're combined. And then I'm going to season this. Start with this better than bouillon. This is the chicken flavor, about a tablespoon of it. And then some spices. I'm using this garlic and herb. I already have everything: sea salt, lemon. This is all you need. And also some black peppers. And just also add a thyme. If you have fresh one, you could use that as well. Just a little bit of that, just a dash of it. And then I'm going to add the black-eyed peas. Again, there's a reason why you need to use a black-eyed peas for this recipe. It symbolizes good fortune and wealth. And just mix this together until they're combined. And then I'm going to add some chicken broth or chicken stock if you have some. And just cover this with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, remove the lid and add this diced tomatoes. I just used the canned ones, and also the fresh spinach. These are a combination of baby spinach and some other spinach. And just mix this together. Let it cook uncovered for 5 minutes and taste it. Adjust the seasoning to your liking, and this is done and ready to serve. I'm so happy that I bumped into this recipe. This tastes so good and delicious, and it makes you feel so good for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a superstitious belief. Maybe there's a reason why it's called the good luck soup. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't so. And give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And I think this is super delicious and easy to make as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Happy New Year. Ciao.